Battery life, about 10 minutes. Charging time, 30 minutes. Power supply, flying ball. Built-in lithium bat. Material, PP. Plastic plus electronic components. Specification 3. Launch your toy and use the boomerang to call it back to base. It's your hand. Throw the spinning toy in the air and watch it spin directly towards you. Grab it with one hand and get ready for your next trick. 2. The ball toys are easy to use. Turn on the power button and hold the toy, then shake it to power up and start it. 1. With 3 dazzling, colourful lights, your flying ball toy looks like a neon shooting star when you launch it into the sky.